Full throttle. That's a problem. Oh, that's all right. It's there park too. Well, that looks good. So much better. Too good. I think we might have found a winning combination on that. If you've ever driven RC cars with me, you know there's one thing I say all the time, there's only one way to find out. Let's see. Yep, no damage. We're good. Body keeps on there. Oh, maybe that's helping keep it on. Ooh, that didn't sound good. Full throttle. That was a problem. That was a problem. When you have to drive your car over to its body, it's a problem. Whoops. Oh my God. No. My brand new body. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Do it again. Some people might say, here, why? Why treat your RC cars like this? Because F them, that's why. So you can't give it full throttle. It's bullshit. Okay, full throttle. Oh, I heard some gears on that one. Uh-oh, we may be losing gearage. Oh. Oh no. Ah, I think they're just getting worn in. Oh no, they're... Oh, well, you can see that. They're not wearing in. I don't know. Can't tell. Like I said, only one way to find out. Yep, that ain't good. I know what you're wondering. Can we do one back flip off this one? Yes, we can. Oh. Nope. There we go. It's not happy, I can tell you that. The gears. Yeah. Sorry, guys.
Ouch.
Yeah. Just got to get them meshed better, that's all. Oh, you know I gotta do this. Alright. I've had it. That's enough for me. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'd say. You know, anytime that only one of your shafts is spinning, you haven't had a very good day that day. It's catching. This one almost looks okay. I don't know if I switch back to the push drive or not. Let's find out.